Ndewonu ndị nke m, ka unu mere? Hello my people, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Adibina. I'm an Igbo language teacher and translator. I'll be teaching you the Igbo language and bits and pieces of the people and the culture. So sit back, relax, and have fun. Today, we'll be learning about days of the week. Anyị ga-amụ maka ịgụ ụbọchị. We're going to learn days of the week according to the Gregorian calendar in Igbo and also learn days of the week according to the Igbo calendar. Ka anyị bido. Let's get started. The Gregorian calendar is regarded as the international standard and is used almost everywhere in the world. According to this calendar, there are 7 days in a week. This week is called IZU UKA in Igbo. IZU UKA. And days is called Ụbọchị. Ụbọchị. So 7 days in a week. That is ụbọchị asaa n'ime otu izu ụka. Ụbọchị asaa otu izu ụka. That is 7 days, 1 week. Now to the 7 days. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So what do we call these days of the week in Igbo? We'll start with Sunday. Sunday is Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. And Saturday is Saturday. So as you can see, the pronunciations are almost similar. The major difference is in the spellings. So we have again Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, na Saturday. That is according to the Gregorian calendar. So now we go to the Igbo calendar. The Igbo calendar is unlike the Gregorian calendar. According to the Igbo calendar, there are 4 days in a week. This week is called IZU. IZU. So, ụbọchị anọ n'ime otu izu. 4 days in a week. That is according to the Igbo calendar. Now, these are the days. The first one is Eke. Eke. Orie. Orie. Afọ. Afọ. Nkwọ. Nkwọ. So we have Eke, Ori, Afọ, Nkwọ. That is days of the week according to the Igbo calendar. Now we must remember that the Igbo calendar is not a translation of the Gregorian calendar. No, this is a totally different way of counting the week and, of course, days, week, and month. So the Igbo calendar is totally different from the Gregorian calendar. None is a translation of the other. Now we'll talk about the differences in the Gregorian calendar and the Igbo calendar. A week in the Gregorian calendar is called IZU UKA, but a week in the Igbo calendar is called IZU. According to the Gregorian calendar, 7 days make 1 week, but for the Igbo calendar, 4 days make a week. So this, of course, affects both the month and the year. So the Gregorian calendar has 4 weeks in a month, but the Igbo calendar has 7 weeks in a month. Now the Gregorian calendar has 12 months in a year, and the Igbo calendar has 13 months in a year. All right. Anyị ga-akwụsị ihe ọmụmụ taa ebe a. We'll stop here for today's lesson. Ngwa kụọrọ onwe gị aka, clap for yourself. Ịgbalịala. Well done. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Your likes encourage me to keep making videos like this, so please don't leave without giving us a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below because I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to keep practicing because practice makes perfect. So practice, practice, practice. God day.